DTU's role in Trace is to be a knowledge partner where we contribute with knowledge, research within the areas of textiles and plastics, especially seen from a circularity point of view. How do we make circular solutions? How do we deal with the specific materials that are made, textile or plastic, or combination thereof? How do we handle these materials in a circularity concept? How do we make sure that we can reuse, how we can upcycle, how we can deal with materials in a framework, in a paradigm where the value chains that are involved are no longer linear but circular. In Trace, we create a common space, a safe space, where we can work together on solving problems related to combining value chains, making sure that all stakeholders in the projects are working together. A major challenge, of course, is to transform, translate the knowledge that, for example, we here at DTU generate into something that creates value for the participating companies and industries. An important aspect of the projects that we have in Trace is to make sure that everybody gets something out of it. Knowledge institutions participate because we like to see our knowledge being transformed into something that can be of value of society in general, and of course to the specific industries in question that are participating in the projects. That of course entails that we create a space where we can share ideas, where we also have a joint vision for things, and we maintain that vision. Things in projects may change. We might have to do pivots once in a while to actually achieve the goals that we would like to achieve. How do we do that in the best possible way? How do we, as a knowledge institution, respect that there are companies who need to make sure that they have a viable business model associated with this? And also, how do we as knowledge institutions make sure that we are still creating forefront knowledge, developing new aspects, new concepts of the problems and solutions that we are dealing with? And that balance is a difficult balance, challenging balance to strike, but it's necessary. And I think in Trace we have very, very good ways of dealing with this, and also a concept and a framework for having projects of this type. In Trace, we welcome SMEs, we welcome big industries, and actually we think there's an extra added value in the fact that consortia actually include these together. Of course, the big industries, companies, they have the economic power to make things change also rapidly, also on a global scale. And the SMEs, for them, it's vital that they are innovative and that they can test out new ideas, and the successful ideas can be then translated into products, into new processes, and that they can do together with the big companies, with the big industries who have the power to do it. In this way, I'm convinced that we get the best possible projects out of Trace. It's simply because we are setting up teams where we have all the competences that are needed to tackle the challenges that we're facing.